If you're looking for different push-up variations, ones that are easy to implement, quick and easy to follow, and very effective, and anyone can potentially do, then you come to the right place. These push-up variations are going to be highly effective for both intermediate, advanced, and beginner level, so you can actually apply and implement all sorts of variations into your workout. And not only that, is that you can also it will just vary from the amount of sets and reps that you do from advanced to intermediate to beginner. The reps and sets won't be put into this video because I'm going to make sure that's oriented towards beginners, intermediate, and advanced. Stay tuned for specific videos for each and every category. In this one, you will see how to do each and every workout properly with the correct form to make sure you maximize the amount of reps and sets that you do properly. Now, make sure you enjoy the video. I'm not going to waste too much time. Click the link down below for if you want to click straight into the video and go straight into the workouts itself. But once it starts, it's not going to stop. I'll see you after the video. What's up guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys like, subscribe and share. Let me know which one was going to be the hardest workout that you've tried out, if you've tried it out already. Let me know what challenges that you faced. Just share your experience. You know what I mean? Was it good? Was it fun? Was it tough? And if you want it tougher, obviously there's going to be a much more advanced workout coming out soon. So just stay tuned for that, and yeah, see you soon. Stay baller.